Hi all, welcome to 2T Curious Minds. In this video we'll see what is simple interest and how to calculate simple interest. What is simple interest? When we borrow money from any source like bank, agency or money lender, we have to pay back the money after a certain period of time. It's definitely not free. We have to pay it along with some extra money for availing the facility to use the money borrowed. So that extra money that we are going to pay back to the lender is called the simple interest. So these are the terminologies that are involved with simple interest. The money that we borrow from the lender originally is called the principal. And the extra money that we are going to pay back to the lender for availing this facility is called the simple interest. And the interest is always expressed as rate per annum. That is, always the interest is per year. And the total money paid back after the given time is called the amount. That is, we are going to pay back the lender along with the original principal and the simple interest. So both together is called the amount. And the time for which the money is borrowed is called the time period. Remember, these are the terminologies that are involved with simple interest. Principal P, simple interest SI, rate per annum R, and the total money is the amount A and the time, which is the number of years N. This is the formula for calculating the simple interest. SI equals PNR by 100. Please try to remember or memorize this formula. SI equals PNR by 100, where SI is the simple interest, P is the principal, that is the original amount that we are getting from the lender, N is the number of years, and R is the rate, interest rate, which is per annum, that is per year. And always remember, N is the number of years. It should be in terms of years. And R is the rate of interest per annum. And the formula for calculating the amount that we are going to return back to the lender is this simple interest plus the principal. So A equals P plus I, where P is the principal, I is the interest, A is the amount. Once you remember this formula, calculating the simple interest is much easier. Now, examples of how to calculate simple interest. Let's take an example. Find the simple interest on $2,000 at 5% per annum for 3 years. Also find the amount. So now we know the formula to calculate simple interest is PNR by 100. SI equals PNR by 100. Now we need to just substitute these values directly from the problem. P is the principal, that is 2000. And N is the number of years, which is 3. And R is the rate of interest per annum, which is 5 by 100. Calculated, and the simple interest is $300. Now we have to calculate the amount that we are going to return back to the lender. That is this principal plus the simple interest. Amount equals principals plus simple interest, which is 2000 plus 300. $2,300 is the amount. Hope this is clear. We'll see one more. So here they have asked to calculate the simple interest on 6,400 at 10% per annum for 9 months. So $6,400 is the principal. The rate of interest per annum is 10%, and N, which is the number of years, is 9 months here. We need to convert it as years. We all know that 1 year has 12 months. So 1 month equals 1 by 12 years. So 9 months will be 9 by 12 years. Whenever the number of years, that is the n, is given as months in the problem, try to convert it into years. That is, we have to divide it by 12. Here it's 9 months. So 9 by 12 years. And then substitute it in the formula. So SI equals PNR by 100. P is 6400. N, number of years, is 9 by 12. So 9 by 12. And R, rate of interest, is 10%. PNR by 100 is substituted and the SI is calculated as $480. Please practice more problems on simple interest. That was fun. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to 2T Curious Minds. Thank you.